Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting off the water and flushing until the bowl and tank are as empty as possible. Once done, disconnect the supply line and loosen the tank-to-bowl bolts so you can move the toilet assembly. Make sure to protect the floor and lift the toilet straight up to avoid breaking the wax ring. Set it on a towel or cardboard. This exposes the old cast iron flange and gives you room to assess corrosion and bolt positions before cutting or unbolting the flange. You now focus on detaching the cast iron flange. Identify whether it is bolted, cast into a hub, or soldered to a lead spud. Use penetrating oil-on bolts and let it sit, then cut rusted bolts with an angle grinder or drill them out if accessible. For flanges bonded to the pipe, carefully cut the flange away with a grinder, taking care not to damage the soil pipe. Once removed, clean the pipe face, scrape residual wax, and dry fit the new flange to check alignment and floor height. You install a replacement flange by positioning it so the top sits flush with the finished floor. This ensures a proper seal. Secure the flange to the floor with appropriate anchors, and if using a repair flange over hub, clamp it tight to the pipe. Place a fresh wax ring, lower the toilet evenly onto the bolts, and tighten the nuts gradually and evenly to avoid cracking the bowl. Reconnect the water, fill the tank, and inspect for leaks. If the toilet rocks or leaks, retorque bolts and replace wax ring if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.